Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's going down with the YouTube gang? What's going down? It's your boy KT, man. Hey, KoyotePack, you know what I'm saying? Show them how we do it. Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. Your boy KT, man. Y'all back on that channel, man. Hey, let me ask y'all this. Hey, what do y'all want to see more of? Do y'all want to see more racing? Do y'all want to see more car reviews? Do y'all want to see more mods added to the car? Get down in the comment section, let me know what y'all want to see more of, and we're gonna try to, you know, spice the channel up a little bit, you know what I'm saying, on top of, you know, what I decide to do on a camera by camera basis. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying. I've been looking at my analytics page, you know what I'm saying. A lot of people come through, show me love, but a lot of people are not hitting the subscribe button. If you want to help me in the smallest way, and it doesn't cost you anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I got like, I want to say like my first video I ever did back when I had my Challenger Scat Pack is almost at, I think it is at like 60,000 views. But you know what I'm saying? I'm still waiting to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark to get, you know, monetized that way I can really bring y'all a heat YouTube, you know, matching their little opinions with what I got. Just keeping it a buck with y'all. But you know, it's not all about the money, but at the same time, it is about the support, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to support me in the best way, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? And hey, that's all your boy asked for. But anyway, y'all see the thumbnail. So yes, I am about to resurrect the back end of the Mustang. And if you look, it's actually right here. I don't know how well it's gonna pick up. It is nighttime, but you know, the bumper is off the car still. And yes, I do have the new bumper. And yes, I finally got it wrapped, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to let y'all take a look at it. I'm not gonna show y'all the final design until it's actually on the car, but the bumper is bare, so I have to put everything from the diffuser to all the screws, lights, this, that, and the other on the bumper, which is cool. But oh yeah, another thing, I'm supposed to be going out to Monroe, Louisiana. I'm finna come holler at y'all, you know what I'm saying, this weekend, which would be the 16th through the 18th. Your boys finna just come out there. It's no, unless it is, but I don't know if there's a special event going on. But you know, I'm just showing up, you know. I have a few Louisiana subscribers, you know what I'm saying. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but you know, I got a few. You know, I decided to take a little, you know, trip down to Louisiana, Monroe. So if y'all see me out there and you ain't subscribed, hey, make sure y'all subscribe, you know what I'm saying. If you see me, walk up to me, hey, holler at your boy. But anyway, let's go holler at this bumper. Okay guys, so I'm in the crib with the bumpers at. So y'all can see the inside. I'm not gonna show y'all the outside of the part just fully yet. But there's the inside of the bumper. It's all bare, so it's missing, as you can see, the lights, like side markers, missing everything on the inside. And it's even missing the diffuser. So pretty much, gonna have to get to work. It's a lot of really with the bumper, there's just like a lot of screws and clips that really deal with the bumper. It's nothing too major, but you know. so I have the diffuser pretty much connected to the bumper. Sometimes you are running the small little issues because this diffuser isn't perfect. So as you can look, it's not lining all the way up with the bumper itself. So what I'm gonna have to do is take this drill and kind of widen up these holes a little bit. That way I can make up for the inconsistency in the diffuser, because like it has a bend in it and it's slightly short. So I'm gonna have to like I say, drill some holes in the bumper and just kind of be able to slide the hose to the right. That way I can make up, as you can see, for the inconsistency in the bumper to diffuser ratio. Okay guys, so I have the diffuser mounted with the clips and the screws. It is mounted. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to come down here to the lower part where the reverse light goes, and I have it right here, and I'm about to mount this up. It already has a bulb in it. I have the screws right here that I got from the dealer. So I'm about to mount these screws up with this reverse light and get to the next part. Look at him. Supposed to be a help and you sleep. Well, I tell you. Okay guys, moving along pretty good. So now I have the reverse light installed right here with the bolts in there with the diffuser. So now I'm about to put this main insert to the middle, and then we're almost there. Alright you guys, so I have the center insert plugged back up. So now this is what's going to be the tricky part, which is laying this wire down. So I have the lights installed. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go through and figure out individually what each one of these wires are and connect them to the lights that I have already available. That way I can see how to run this wire harness. So without further ado, man, it's been a little process. New to this, but I'm trying to, you know, follow pretty much instructions on just pretty much how to put this together. So I do have a picture of a diagram, so I'm just trying to follow the diagram and be able to put this together correctly. But anyway, woo, KoyotePack, give me one. Oh, it's your boy needed right now. So let's do this here. Okay, you guys, so I got the wire harness pretty much connected. Trying to see if I can get a little light. So the wire harness is clipped to the center insert right here, as you can see. So all that's good. I know y'all probably wondering why I have this foil right here. And those of you who are familiar with the parking sensors, on this bumper right here, it didn't have the holes drilled out for the parking sensors, and I actually had to find some. So what I decided to do was just block off the wire harness with foil on the wires, and then at a later date I will revisit the bumper to actually get the sensors plugged up. My camera still works in the car, which is fine. It just doesn't beep when you back up, which, you know what I'm saying, it's not a big bother to me. So just to keep the wires fresh, and, you know, I don't want no corrosion or water to get into it, I decided, just like I said, just to put some foil over the 4 little connectors. So not a big deal, but anyway, the bumper's pretty much ready to go. I just have to put the rivets in the bottom right here, and pretty much it's ready to go to the car. Alright you guys, so I'm in the garage, and pretty much I have this flap down right here. It's pretty much just 4 little rivet screws, 2 on each side. You unscrew them, then you pull this back, and then it exposes. Let me get a little bit more lights. It exposes like the bare screws. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Might be 3. Is it 3? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm gonna get a ratchet on there, take them 6 bolts off, and then remove the headlights, disconnect the the harness from the tail lights, and then I'll be able to access what all I need for the bumper. Alright, you guys, so guess what? Upon further review, this is the piece that I think that was already damaged, that was underneath my tail light right here where the bumper goes. This is the old piece of the bumper, and it sits right here with a screw that I took out, and it sits like right off in there that connects the bumper. This was cracked already. So I'm guessing what happened was, since it was cracked, and then when I was racing in Mexico, the wind caught it, finished cracking it, and it just took the whole bumper off. So I'm guessing that's what happened. So maybe it was just this clip. Maybe there's another piece when I start getting up under here, but this piece just fell off in my hand. So this was part of the reason why my original bumper fell off right here. KoyotePack, your boy has the bumper on, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I had to go and slide through that thing, man. Gonna get it over with. Man, it looks hella good. Y'all wanna see it? Hey, drop a like right now if you wanna see the bumper, the new bumper on the Mustang. Y'all ready? Whoa, but before I show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I got one little finishing touch that I need to put on there. And while I do that, hit the subscribe button if you ain't hit it, you know what I'm saying? Cause my analytics say a lot of y'all are peeping your boy, but y'all ain't subscribing. You know what I'm saying? Now if it was the other way around, your boy would subscribe to you. So hey, subscribe to your boy, hit the like button, show me that you appreciate me, you know what I'm saying? And appreciate the content. But anyway, let me put the finishing touches and I'll show y'all the result. Hey, what's happening, KoyotePack? So I gave y'all a little minute, you know what I'm saying, to subscribe, hit that like button, you know what I'm saying, before I show y'all this bumper. And anyway, y'all see that fresh fade on your boy. And besides that, I am in Louisiana, Monroe, you know what I'm saying, came down here just to kick it for the weekend, you know what I'm saying, probably hit the track up. Y'all know how we do it. But anyway, y'all did y'all part, so here's mine. Check out the new bumper I customized on KoyotePack. All right, you guys, so y'all see the new bumper and the diffuser. That diffuser comes off a GT350. I'm actually waiting on the left reflector light to come in. I have the right on that side. So pretty much, well, I hope y'all like the B-roll of the car. Anyway, that's it, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, it looks real good. I like the way the black offsets with the red, and most of the red offsets with the black in the front. But anyway, KoyotePack, y'all know how we do it. Oh! Hey, y'all know what it is. Y'all already know who it is, you know what I'm saying? More than the game, man. We a pack, man. Stay tuned, cause we finna have a little fun out here in Monroe. Get this cheap duffel bag off my car.
Don't, hold on.
Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.